Hi everybody, Lorraine Smith from Tourmaline and Time Quilts. We've had a couple of questions on how to make half square or half rectangle triangles. So I'm going to demonstrate here in a quick video. First step is to draw your diagonal line. Then we're going to flip it over, and we know that because I've drawn it pretty thickly that it goes this way. Now we're going to take our other one, and that's our drawn line right through there. Okay, so we're going to line opposite corners here. I'm going to quickly sew it on either side of this line, and I'll be right back. Okay, sorry for the white thread here, but this is where we've sewn it. You can see it a little better on this side. We're going to first cut along this line. Okay, I'm going to do this backwards, so forgive me. But okay, so we've cut it on the line, and now I'm going to press this. Okay, again, give me a moment. Say we're going to trim this to a 1.5 by 3 inch triangle, and I think this will work. I'm guessing because I didn't actually measure this when I pulled it together for you. Okay, so we're going to do 1.5, which means I'm actually, this is my 1.5 inch line right here. I'm actually going to want it at 1 and 3, kind of a little bit between those two lines. The reason I say that is you're going to put it just between your 3.5, or excuse me, your 1.5 and your 1 3/8, because you want that to be an 1/8 inch off. And you're going to do the same thing on this other side at the 3 inch mark. Again, just at the 1/8 mark is what you want to trim to. So right there. Okay, so 1/8, 3/8 here, 1/8 right at your 3 inch mark. Okay, and we're going to trim this side here. We're going to trim this side. Okay, so again, we've got the 3/8 inch mark and the 1/8 and 3 inch mark right here. I'm going to flip it over. Okay, and if this plays nicely, we're going to go to our 3 inch mark here, our 1.5 inch mark here, or our 3 inch mark here. Trim this. Okay, I'm going to flip it one more time. Flip it all the way over. So the edge is at the 1/8, that's where the diagonal is, and at the 3/8, and trim that up. So now we have the 1.5 by 3. Okay, that's our final measurement here. As I'll show you. I gotta get this to work with my camera. So 1.5 by 3, and you want to make sure you've got the 1/8 inch and the 1/8 inch.